Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you ackee and bacon. Alright, so you're gonna need, let's see how much is about quarter pound or less than quarter pound of bacon, ackee, a dozen ackee or less, teaspoon of pimento berry, scotch bonnet pepper, half or one, spring of thyme, half of sweet pepper, a stalk of scallion, a medium-sized onion or a small onion, and a small tomato. I might use a tablespoon of basil and a tablespoon of parsley, and a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon of sea salt, and a quarter cup of coconut oil, preferably. Alright, visit JAMAICA'S, for the ingredients, just in case I might miss something. Maybe a little bit less than quarter cup of water. First thing first, strip the scallion. Onion. I'll strip off this layer. Garlic. I didn't say garlic earlier, but 3 garlic cloves. Just want to get the seasoning part out of the way. Just cut off any sores you see. Rinse these off. And keep the seasoning separate. Alright. The sweet pepper. I'm using all of this. I don't have much ackee today. Alright, rinse this. Alright, put this aside for later. Ackee now. See if the ackee, make sure the ackee open out by itself like this. If it's sealed like this on the tree, or even somebody telling it to you like this, don't buy it. It must open. Ackee is soft. It's not good. Much ackee now. I find no good. Not much ackee now, man. As you can see, it's not much ackee, but I'm gonna make it work. Alright, now just take the head off. Use your right hand, take the head off, and clean this out. Just do like this. And clean that out. Cut this off if need to. Clean this out with your finger. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do them. That's it. Put to eat a stew pot. Put enough water in. Put the stove gauge on high. Once it comes to a boil, put it on a medium. And then you can add the Ackee fruits. This was the last of the Ackee the lady had. My regular market lady, she only had this. This is the last of it. So I just buy it still. It's not much. I like to support her because she always have everything. And she's a nice lady. Alright, so put that to boil. I'm going to time it and let you know. Cover it slightly. And cover it all the way. It's not going to overflow. I'm going to turn the stove because it's on high. So that's like 2 minutes. Okay, local people. Some supermarkets cut these and package them themselves like this. It's cheaper. If you buy the package one, they ready make one with the name brand. A portion like this only cost me $200. If it was a name brand, it would have probably cost me about $500-600 Jamaican dollars. So buy the bulk. This is the Ackee I don't like, the white one. This tastes so terrible. The species here. But alright. Tip. I don't know if you can see, but you see it's changing color, bright yellow. That's a sign to say it's almost ready. It's 8 minutes now. Or you can test it too. See, look. You can tell this needs some more cooking, look. Light just went. So I'm in a dilemma. Anyway. After 12 minutes, just remove this and remove the water. See, I'm using candle. This is a strange video, but I'm gonna do it. I learned in life, you see, I made so much video with a camera that wasn't that good before I could buy this camera that I'm using right now. So I learned in life, you see, when you can't get this, still push on. The video gonna be dark, but I'm gonna finish this video. I don't care about the light. See that? Can go 1, can go 2, 1, I'm gonna light 1 more. Let's hope my candle not getting on my food. I hope you guys gonna be able to see, you can see something. Okay, remove the water. Put this aside for later. This is rice. I'm just washing it. One of the reasons why I have to finish this video because it's bacon. I'm cooking bacon. I don't buy bacon. I don't really eat bacon. But because I want to do the video with the bacon and Ackee, so I buy this. I'm not planning to buy this again ever. I know the light gone. I'm still gonna do the video. I just heard a big boo up the road. Every time rain fall a little, every time occasionally it come like it's the same generator that bursts. And you know what I noticed too? Each time I make a video, there's always a plot so I can share with you. So the plot today is outage, electricity outage, power outage. I was waiting to see if the light would come back, but no light. Put a frying pot for stewing. Put the stove gauge on medium. Once it's dry, add oil. I'm contemplating whether I should wait. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do it. It's gonna make this video interesting. That's all. Add oil. About less than quarter cup. Half of quarter cup. It's the bacon now. Cut them into biteable chunks like this big. Like this big, about an inch or so. Add the garlic, add the bacon. Stove gauge is on medium. This is like 4 to 5. So just allow it to fry on one side. Put the stove gauge on 6, because if you want to fry it. That was like a minute and a half. Just allow it to fry. The objective is to cook this. You want to fry this crisps. Then we're going to saute the onions and then add everything. I go through so much resilience in life. If I should tell you some of my story, you'd say, wow. But maybe in the future. You all need to know that Jamaicans have a struggle, you know. There's a struggle that's going on with Jamaican people that a lot of people don't talk about, with the family and children and what's happening to the children and how they relate to the family and so forth. That's a problem in Jamaica. It's like this now. Add the onion and the scallion. Just allow it to saute. That was 3 minutes of frying with the stoves on 6, which is like medium high. Okay, saute the onions, and then once the onions saute, I'm gonna smash the garlic out. Can add the fermented berries too. You want to burn out the flavor. That candle are going well, man. This is outrageous. I have 4 candles lined up around this pot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It seems to be working. Alright, let's let that saute. Add the thyme stick. Alright. Saute. Alright, turn the stove gauge on low now. Add the sweet pepper. Pepper. And the tomato. This is optional. Just cook the tomato. And the herbs. And the basil. Teaspoon to a tablespoon. Parsley. Now the ackee and a 1/4 cup of water or 3 tablespoons. Just cover it. Alright, the stove is on low. All of this happening in front of your face as it did mine. Put the stove on low. See, bacon don't have salt. I don't think they put salt on bacon, so I'm just gonna put like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Wow, it smells nice. That's it. That's it in the many different shades of grey today. Do have a light too, so you have to work with many different shades of grey. Look. Different, and this pot alone is many shades of grey, maybe all of the shades. Look at the dark ones over here. I'd like a 1/4 teaspoon of white vinegar just to give it a little tangy flavor. Alright, gotta be careful around these many fires. Alright, this finishing. So you can turn it off. And just allow it to cool. Alright, turn it off. good enough. So you guys get a taste of how people in the deep country operate. So people have to cook in the dark more time. This is outrageous though. I can't believe this is really happening. I gotta show you. Look. It's like a dinner table. Kinda look good though. Just to say, this is a Jamaican Christmas dinner, Christmas breakfast idea. Jamaican Christmas breakfast idea. This. And they also use ham. So if you can use ham or bacon with this for Christmas holiday in Jamaica. It's kind of important. This is like so. Alright, that should be enough. Ackee with bacon. Jamaican Christmas breakfast idea. With my carrots. So like a thing I didn't wait because it's getting dark and it would have been difficult then. Rather, fire burn me under my chin. So that's the idea. Got up Christmas week. I cook this. It's a bacon. A long time and I ate bacon. This is nice. This is nice. If I don't get to do the ham, this is the same exact method you do it for the ham. I didn't plan to do this today, no. This is spontaneous. Just like the light that went. Spontaneous. So this is a spontaneous video altogether. This is nice. The scotch bonnet pepper make it really nice. And the sweet pepper. So this is one of the many ways you can cook ackee. Visit JAMAICA'S.com and you'll see some of them. You see most of them, if not all. You can even use bologna. You can use frankfurters, which is sausage. I like my butter. Luckily I had a packer candle to do this. I like my butter. Some people say tomato don't go in ackee. Well, see it work here. And it does not interfere with the flavor. Oh, I forgot to smash out the garlic. It's all good though. Flavor, sweet, all the nutriments is burned out and sucked out of this thing. But if anything, this is fiber. But normally, what I'll do is just smash it out in the pot before I add the ackee. Just before I add the ackee. The pepper here nice. The pepper nice. I can see why people love Scotch bonnet. Scotch bonnet pepper is not just hot, you know. It have this nice flavor. It's nice. Scotch bonnet pepper nice. The light gone, so might as well stay here so eat. There's no light elsewhere. Although I'm standing. This is nice. Spicy and nice. See you.